Actor Zoya Rathore, she has worked with OTT platforms. She is a vocal critic of the exploitation of young actors that they've alleged to have suffered in the adult entertainment industry. Zoya Rathore now joins me for more on this. Zoya, what more can you tell us? First, your reaction to police investigations and how were actors exploited? We are told that there was a contract and actors knew what was expected of them.
Yes, actually, first answer your question. I'm very, very happy that this all has been exposed because the way it was actually offered to us when I was informed that this is what only is going on right now. That was way back in 2020 after COVID situation where things were really bad when it came to financial constraints on everyone, especially for the actors like us. There were no serials being shot, no auditions, nothing. Theaters were closed. So what was only going on was this OTT, which I was informed, and then they told us that there is a certain exposed level to it because these OTT platforms are operated from international level.
Okay.
And the servers are internationally based, so you have nothing to worry about it. Nobody is going to question you here. Because I knew to some extent, I really don't know what was it, but I know that pornography was illegal in India. So that's what came into my mind as to what exactly. I mean, you're telling me that you have to do this, have to do that. But
so what was this and that you were asked to do? Who contacted you? Actor and producer Gehna Vashish says that this is not porn, this is erotica. So who approached you and what was their expectation?
First of all, I was contacted by my very known director, one of my very known director.
Okay.
I knew him from way back 2014-15, but I never worked with him. So he searched for my number and he contacted me that, Zoya, what you're doing at home? Girls are working so fine and we have these OTT platforms. You have whatever you have done, that you just have to do little more bolder, because I have done some bold subjects. It was all released movies, so they said that okay, fine, you have to do little more bold. I said, what is little more bold? How is it? Then I'll explain it to you. You have to trust me. And because I knew this guy, so I said, okay, fine, I know him. So let's go and do it, because this is what is going on, and it will be fun shooting. Because for me, shooting was a passion. So when I came to the set, they said that, okay, fine, this is the subject, this is what is the story. But what you have to do is you have to be without clothes, like throughout. I mean, that was not I have done before. So then we are going to take some beauty shots and all. It's not going to be visible, completely, and it's like just going to be, blurred. And they showed us a very, beautiful picture of it.
Okay.
But when it came out, and this movie was for Yash Thakur. This web series was for Yash Thakur, and it was his channel's name was Fleas that time, and then he's changed it to Newflix. So this was one of the, I don't know. What I have understood right now after all this coming out, as to everything was like correlated, or I don't know what exactly it is, but then these channels were coming, from where I don't know.
So
but
were you paid? Did they sign a contract? Was there a proper contract that said that this is what you're supposed to do and this is what you'll get paid for it?
Yes, these guys, that Hotted guys, they were news sometime back. They were arrested in February. So when I came into this, then, slowly these guys also contacted, and then they showed us some papers, some legal documents, where they mentioned that it has been notarized by the lawyers, and you don't have to worry about anything. So I questioned them so many times as to, I'm not feeling this right. I mean, whatever you guys are doing. So they're saying, no, you don't have to worry, and don't worry. They said, and those were the first ones who were behind bars. So now when it has brought me into a level of just being a small actor. It made me into, it tagged me as a porn star. And I really don't want it to be like that. I mean, this was something which they took advantage of the situation, of the want, of the need of the actors, not only me. See, I'm coming forward and I'm talking to you. There are many girls who don't want to talk, don't want to speak about it. But I know that this is something which was wrong at that
Okay.
time also, I knew. And that's the reason why I'm here talking to you, because this was what was presented to us in a very nice plate as to this is what we have to serve you and you have to eat this.
Okay.
So if I'm hungry, I have to eat that, whatever I'm served.
Okay, so has the Mumbai police contacted you? Mumbai police is seeking the cooperation of actors who may have been exploited in the name of erotica, but it was actually, according to the Mumbai police, an alleged porn racket. Now, did you ever come in contact either with Raj Kundra or with others associated with him?
Not with Raj Kundra, but yes, Umesh Kamath did contact me, and now I heard that Umesh Kamath was related to Raj Kundra in business manner. So that time when Umesh was talking to me, it was very weird because he used to call me on a WhatsApp call, and then he used to say that I want to cast you for an international web series, which is, he used to show me very rosy picture. And whenever any guy talks to me very rosy, especially when I don't know him, obviously I be very, very cautious. So I was cautiously listening to him, not trusting him at all. And then I was confirmed that he is not the right person when he told me that I'm going to do a video call to you and you have to be nude in that video call, because our substance is that way, our content is that way. So I want to see you, without clothes. So I said, I'm sorry, this is not the way it works. This is not the audition that I can do it like nude on a call or something. So then I tried to avoid him. And then after just like 2 days before his arrest, I think he was also arrested in February.
Okay.
So 2 days before of his arrest, he was just after.
So are you joining investigations? Are you cooperating with the Mumbai police?
No, police hasn't contacted me yet, and I like we all were like scared. I mean, all the actors, they said that their police had got a long list, to contact the actors to reach these guys, the makers,
Okay.
because like we are not. As if I know that this what you call pornography is illegal in India. If
Yes.
you're publishing it, if you're promoting it to different age groups, and we were not publishing it at all. We don't even wanted to do that. I mean, I don't want about others, but I especially don't want to do it. But we
Okay.
were like, we were given only this. I mean, you have to do this because there's nothing else. If you are not doing it, you'll be sitting at home and somebody else is going to earn and take away the money. This is
Okay.
that I put it in our heads, in my head at least. And of course, here, I mean, I sitting at home and, it was too much
Yes.
pressure at that time. So,
Which is why you say
then
you did it. Okay, Zoya, for the moment, many thanks for joining me here on India Today.